I have what is a diamond tester. I'm going to turn it on, calibrate it, and then I'm going to touch this rock that I found. What does this mean? Just saying. Sweet. And I've been using the diamond tester kind of as give me an idea of how hard some of my stones are. It's easier to identify sapphires and rubies that way. In my head anyways. It's not exactly recommended, but I usually get 1 bar and I'm excited. 4 bars, that's no. And yes, I'm sitting in my bathroom because this is where I do blacklight, and this is where I've been doing my rocks. I'm almost through my bucket, finally. Been a long road.